Today we are going to introduce the light bar, which is without a screw and all by buckles. Let's see how we put every part by buckle one by one. You see, this is the base of the light bar, and we have already put this electric board with wires ready for you, and then we just put the LED modules one by one. This light bar you see is almost ready, the LED modules, and now I will show you how to put these LED modules into the light bars. You see this have these buckles, and we put here. Finish. Okay. Then put the wires connect. That's done. The last step, put this top on the light bars. And then just use the screw. It's done.